Hello, in front of me I've got Elden Ring Nightreign. In this video I'll show you how to play online matchmaking. In the beginning, take a look at the bottom right corner of the game in the main menu. Right there you have to have online status. If you don't have it, right here above system and below new game, you will have login. Select this option and then log into online game. Now go to continue. And now enter matchmaking. In matchmaking settings, select expedition type multiplayer. And now you can start matchmaking online. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.